Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
So we get started today warm and muggy, definitely feeling like a June morning. Now, with a little bit of luck, the clouds and a few showers mean we don't get so hot again this afternoon. Yesterday, a lot of us kept those temperatures in the 80s, which was a nice change after so many days over the past week, by the way, that we're flirting with or getting up over 95. We're going to notice, I think, the morning temperatures staying up over 70 in more locations more often. Hopefully, we'll start to notice those daytime highs stopping shy of 90 now that we have better chances for some showers, especially if that sea breeze machine fires up and starts to kick up some of those afternoon showers and thunderstorms that we count on to calm down some of that afternoon heat, or at least limit the amount of hours with such high temperatures. Now, up against the coast of Franklin and Taylor County, I do see a couple of sprinkles this morning. There is some energy out there, and it's going to try to generate a couple of showers over the past few hours. I mean, it's not much. It's not widespread. It's not everybody gets wet in one line of showers and storms that we can estimate will be where you are in 2 hours. That's not how these work. And I understand how frustrating the summer months showers and storms can be because they sort of just do their thing at the time they want to, and it can rain 2 blocks away from your house and never rain where you are. I feel you. But that's how these work. We don't make it, we just talk about it. So that's what we're looking at, and I think we're going to have to get used to that because we're at that time during the year where that's exactly how these showers are going to continue to be most of the time for the next 2 or 3 months. Now, it's 74 degrees this morning in Tallahassee. It's 68 degrees in Thomasville. It's 67 in Valdosta. It's a little on the warm side, not crazy. I mean, it's 74 in Tallahassee is a little high. But what I think is more noticeable, the humidity. Those dew point temperatures up near 70 in a few spots. When they are that high, it really feels different outside compared to how dry it was back on Thursday and Friday, especially Saturday morning. We had that little breeze. It almost felt comfortable outside. Very different than the way it's going to feel this morning, and that likely means we're going to be looking for more and more fog, especially as our temperatures try to drop a little bit and they get to be about the same as those dew point numbers. So you put all these things together and really you end up with a warmer and a more muggy feel and the threat for some fog unless there's a breeze to stir things up. Here's some more temperatures around the area. Perry's at 70, Camilla's at 71, Bainbridge we're down to 69, Quincy and Thomasville and Moultrie are all at 68, Live Oak and Cross City at 66. So it's nice to see a few mid-60s sprinkled in there. If there's going to be a breeze, I think today that breeze will have more of a southeast or a south feel to it. There's not much of one right now. We'll be checking for the fog throughout the morning. I see in Bainbridge our visibility is down below 1 mile, and I'm not expecting widespread dense fog, but I think there's going to be some areas where the fog gets real thick, so be careful out there. You know the vermin will be out there lurking. You see some of those showers down against the coast of Taylor and Dixie County trying to lift north, so maybe some of those can get inland this morning. I think our better chances for showers are going to come this afternoon when we get to that daytime heating, and especially if the sea breezes fire up. And it feels like today the best chances for showers are going to be in our eastern areas, but these showers have a mind of their own, so we'll certainly watch, and once they start happening, we'll be able to track them and let you know where they're headed. Right now, I think Futurecast is trying to bring in a decent little scattering this afternoon, and hopefully it happens before those temperatures get too far past 90 degrees. Same tomorrow. So today, tomorrow, both. Not everybody gets wet, widespread rains, but decent shots for those showers and pop-up storms. Some spots will see a single raindrop. Other spots may see quite a bit. Now, as we get towards Thursday and Friday this week, Futurecast is trying to bring in a little bit more organized activity. A little weak boundary may be able to get here by Friday, and that should give us a little better chance for some more organized showers and storms. But that's Friday. Today's Monday. Lots of time between now and then. And hey, for the first time of many times, it's time to check the tropics. Nothing cooking out across the Atlantic, the Gulf, or the Caribbean exactly the way we like it to be. Let's hope it stays that way. On the Gulf today, pretty good conditions for the boaters with the winds less than 12 knots and the seas less than 2 feet. This morning it's 60s and 70s, and it is more muggy. It's noticeably muggy. Let's put the rain chance around 50-50 this afternoon. Not everybody gets wet. We'll shoot for 90. I think some of us can get there, but not everybody. And then tonight back near 70. Any of the showers that fire up should fizzle out. It stays muggy. And here's that 7-day forecast. I think our best chances to get wet this week are going to be early, and then a lot's going to depend on that boundary on Friday. So we've got a couple of different things we'll be watching this week, all the while a very summer-like look and feel to this forecast.